Hey guys, welcome to another video on BuzzFlick. Today, I'm going to talk about 15 basic design elements you should keep in mind. These design elements are the building blocks of visual design and are things every aspiring designer should know. Whether you're an animator, a designer, mastering these elements will help you creating designs that are truly memorable. Let's start off with lines. Lines are the foundation to any design. You can use them to create shapes, define forms, or even add movement and direction. Next, we have shapes. They can be simple or complex, geometric or organic, and they can be used to represent objects, ideas, and even emotions. Colors make our world come alive. They can set a mood and even establish a brand identity. Colors are powerful, and that's why it's important to understand their meaning in design. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a color. You can use it to create contrast, depth, and dimension in a design. Texture can pique interest in any visual design. You can notice texture in patterns, photography, and even typography. Now let's talk about space. Space is the area between objects. Leverage it to add balance, start a hierarchy, and much more. Moving on to form. Form is the 3D shape of an object. You can create form through lines, shapes, and colors. You can use it for real-world objects or abstract concepts. Size refers to how big or small an element is in a design. Use size to create emphasis, hierarchy, and proportion. Typography. It's an art. You can arrange text to make it visually appealing and even show the mood of your message through different fonts. Balance is how you arrange elements in a design to create a sense of visual stability. You can create different types of balance such as symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. Unity is coherence and cohesion in a design. It is achieved when all the elements of a design work together to tell a story as a whole. Now let's add some contrast. Contrast is the difference between elements in a design. You can add contrast with color, size, value, texture, and other elements. Emphasis is arranging elements to draw the viewer's attention to a particular part of the design. The focal point is the area of the design that receives the most emphasis. Rhythm and repetition are created by repeating elements in a design. You can use it to create visual interest, establish a pattern, and move the eye across the design. Proportion is the relationship between the sizes of different elements in a design, whereas scale is the size of an element in relation to its surroundings. And there you go. We just covered 15 basic elements of design. By mastering these elements, you'll be well on your way to creating beautiful graphics. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.